Good morning. We are going to continue on today with solving exponential equations using common bases. Okay, so here's an application sort of problem for it. Let's say you have 10 ants in a colony. It's doubling every month. And the first thing says write an exponential function for this problem. So you have to remember back to y equals a times b to the x power. So y equals, my initial value was 10. It's doubling, which means my b value is 2. And my x represents however many months. Okay, and then it wants to know when will the colony reach 20,480 ants. So that's going to be your y value. 20,480 equals 10 times 2 to the x power. Okay, so the first thing, we're going to get rid of this extra 10. Divide both sides by 10. So 2,048 equals 2 to the x power. Now, there's a couple ways we could do this. We could turn it into a log problem and use secret of the universe to solve it. However, I'm going to show you a different way because this one is one that could easily be done with common bases. 2048 is a power of 2. If you look at your handy dandy little list of bases at the very beginning of this note packet, 2048 is 2 to the 11th power, so 2 to the x, so x equals 11. Okay, again, yes, I could take this, turn it into a log, and then I can go through, but we're going to look at that 2 days from now. Actually, we'll look at solving problems using that method. Okay? So my second one, again, solving for x. Let's find a common base. 216 is 6 to the third power. Oops, does that x over 3? And 36 is 6 to the second power. So since the bases are the same, 3 times x over 3 is going to be the same as 2 times 2x plus 3. So that left side is just x. The right side is going to be 4x plus 6. Okay, how do we solve that? Yep, take 4x from both sides. So I'm going to get negative 3x equals 6. Divide both sides by negative 3. And x will be negative 2. Okay. Again, let's figure out the common bases here. So 256 is a power of 4. And that's to the fourth power. I guess I could also go a power of 2, but I'm going to go for a power of 4. And 64 is also a power of 4. So again, since my bases are common, that means that 4 times 0.5x will be the same as 3 times 2x plus 5. Again, why am I multiplying these? I'm multiplying these because what's the shortcut? If you do a power to a power, the shortcut is to multiply them. So 4 times 0.5 is 2x on the left side. The right side is going to give me 6x plus 15. Okay, and again, back to Algebra 1. How am I solving this for x? Get them both on the same side. Yes, I could subtract the 2x, but now I've got a 0 on the left side. So take away the 6x. And divide by your negative 4. and x. It's kind of a funky answer, but it's okay. We're allowed to get funky answers on these. Okay, and then our last example for today, again, still looking for common bases between 16 and 8. My common base is going to be 2. This one is 2 to the negative 4 power. And 8 is 2 cubed. And just as a reminder, that negative 4, why is it negative 4? Well, 2 to the 4th is 16, but what turns it into a fraction? And that would be a negative in that answer. Okay, remember, it's not a fraction in the answer because a fraction is a root. A root doesn't turn it into a fraction. Okay, so on my exponents then, negative 4x minus 20 is going to equal 6. Add 20 to both sides, so negative 4x is going to equal 26. Divide by negative 4, and x equals negative 26 over 4. And yep, that one's going to be a funky answer too. And again, it's okay. Some of them will work out nicely. Some of them will be fractions or whatever, and it's fine. Okay, so you've already done a page of solving problems like this, but you're going to look at the 16.2 worksheet, and you're just going to do that first page of it. I think it's 3 pages long. You're going to do that first page of it and just do problems 1 through 10 as practice. Yep. And we'll see you back here tomorrow for more fun and excitement in the world of Algebra 2.